Sum number 5 reads, find the compound interest if the amount of a certain principal, they have not given you the principal in this sum, after 2 years is rupees 4036 paise 80 at the rate of 16% per annum. We are going to solve this sum also using the same formula. A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100, the whole raised to the power of n. Now in this sum you are given the amount. Now A is equal to rupees 4036.80 paise. Principal we do not know is how much. R is equal to 16 PCPA and N is equal to 2 years. Now substituting in the formula, remember here we are given A. So where A is, I'm writing 4036.80 is equal to, we do not know what is the principal, so I'm keeping it as P into 1 plus R upon 100, the whole raised to the power of 2. Sorry, R is 16. So instead of R, I'm putting 16 upon 2. Okay. So now let us solve this part. So you get 4036.80 is equal to, keep P as it is, and let us solve this part. There is no denominator over here, so I'm putting it as 1. Then I will cross multiply. So I'll get 1 into 100 is 100 plus 16 into 1 is 16 upon 1 into 100 is 100, the whole square. Now what we do is, again I'm writing it over here, 4036.80 is equal to P into 100 plus 16 is 116 upon 100, the whole square. Now this sum is a little different. So I'm again writing 4036.80 is equal to P into 116 upon 100 into 116 upon 100. Now remember over here we have to find out P. So we are supposed to be cross multiplying. And whatever comes with P comes down at the denominator. So you get 4036.80 into 100 upon 116 into 116. So remember boys, over here there is P. So now what we have to do is, we have to cross multiply the left hand side with the right hand side. Now wherever the unknown is and whatever comes with the unknown becomes the denominator, the remaining is kept as the numerator. Now if we multiply this entire, we get 403680. Multiply by this, so you'll get 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Now there are decimal point after 2 places. So the point comes here upon 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 116 multiplied by 116. Now when we divide these two, we get rupees 3000. Now remember this 3000 is nothing but the principal. So principal is equal to rupees 3000. Now we want to know in this sum is find the compound interest. So now the compound interest is equal to the amount minus the principal, and when we minus the 2 we'll get 0, 8.6301. So the compound interest is equal to rupees 1036.80 paise. Sum number 6. A loan of rupees 15,000 was taken on compound interest. If the rate of compound interest is 12% per annum, find the amount to settle the loan after 3 years. We are using the same formula. A is equal to P into bracket 1 plus R upon 100 the whole raised to the power of n. Now we'll write what is given. P is equal to rupees 15,000. R is equal to 12 PCPE. N is equal to 3 years. Substituting in the formula, we get A is equal to 15,000 in bracket 1 plus R is 12 upon 100 the whole raised to the power of 3. Now, since this is addition and there is no denominator over here, I am putting 1. The denominators are not equal, so we equalize them by cross multiplication. So that is equal to 15,000 into 1 into 100 is 100 plus 12 into 1 is 12 upon 100 the whole raised to the power of 3. Now that is equal to 15,000 into 100 plus 12 is 112 upon 100. Now since it is raised to the power of 3, we write it thrice upon 100. Now we cut the zeros. You have 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. So now what we have to do is multiply 112 into 112 into 112 upon 100 into 10 is 1000. Now when we multiply 112 and say I forgot boys 15 to put right 15 over here. This 15 is still remaining. So 15 into 112 into 112 into 112 upon 1000. Now when we multiply this number, we get 210,73920 upon 1000. Now this is 2 crores 10 lakhs 73,920. Now here you have a 0, so this 0 and this 0 cancels. So what we have left is 210,73920 upon 100. So now this is 21 lakhs 7,392 upon 100. Now you have 2 zeros over here, so the point comes here. So that is equal to 210,73920. So the point comes here. So we have the amount is equal to rupees 21,000. Sorry, the amount is 21,073 rupees 92 paise. So after 3 years, to settle the loan, amount to be paid is 21,073 rupees 0.92 paise.